This is how. Let's put this aside. I don't need this yet. This is how I crack my coconut. Ooh. Okay. So this is what I get from it. This is what I use with my tiger nut to make tiger nut milk. I add coconut fruit. Actually, I could use spoon. So spoon will be better. Easier. Yeah. All natural. And then I use this for charcoal. Going to burn it, make it into charcoal. This is a thin table, so can be good. Be yourself, no faking it. But that's my rubbish. That's ginger, that's turmeric. You see, when you are in Ghana, tiger nuts are sold on the street like that. That is 50 Ghana cedis. I don't know how much is in pounds or in dollars. It's 50 Ghana cedis. Okay, so in the night or in the morning, if I want milk, I use my natural tiger nut mixed with coconut food to make my milk. Yeah, no wahala. So this is what I did. I made earlier yesterday, last night actually. So I'm going to add more to it. Okay, there. I've already washed that. So all I need is let's add a bit more of this in it. Turmeric. Put this in, and that ginger will go in. And then I add water. The water when I'm in Ghana, I drink special ice. Okay? It's a special ice. Not that I'm advertising, but that's my personal preference. Okay? Special ice. there, just add it. Oh, it's not on. Oh. You can use this, or you can use the strainer. Cheese cloth. Yeah. This is, it's gonna, it's not 8 o'clock yet, but I'm sweating. All the ice, Manchester ice, are melting melting from my body. See, so there. This is what we call milk, not the one you buy from the shop. Make your own. You see, juice. This is not cow's milk. This is natural plant milk. I think I need a proper machine for straining for making my tiger nut milk. So for juicy bars, so now I put it back in there, and if I want more milk, I just add more water, blend it, and there you go. But this chaff, I'm going to dry it and make it into flour. So I get my tiger nut coconut flour, use it for cakes. If I'm baking anything bakery, that is what I will use. So there, natural milk. Plant, this is not plant-based, this is plant milk. I don't believe in the word plant-based. It's not a base, it's everything. The plant milk. Cheers. If you want more, follow me, subscribe, and give a thumb up. Thank you.